This is a simple demonstration on Wallpaper Infinity presented by Valul Islam. Today is a special day. Today is Anna's birthday. His friend Rohim and others plan to give her a gift, and that is smartphone. According to the plan, they buy a phone from a store for their friend. But one major problem occurred. That is about choosing a gift wrap. The gift wrap need to be fixed, but there is not enough beautiful wrap. They give her in simple gift wrap. Although she is happy with the gift, but she is trying to find a beautiful wallpaper, but couldn't find any. She is so upset and stressed about it. Well, we have a solution for this. We are introducing you Wallpaper Infinity Application, which is developed in Python. Whether you are a designer or developer, we get you covered. Our application can generate wallpaper and pattern for designers who are struggling to find designs for their wallpaper or their gift wrapping designs. Let us see some examples. So, what you're waiting for? Grab your free application from the description.